I can tell you, I am sick and tired of dragging hoses. I am sick and tired of dragging hoses. So what you're looking at is my non-irrigated 1 acre field that is about to be fully irrigated. 20 zones, and we're going to be installing the Hunter I-20s. So it's a good day above the fescue. It is Saturday morning, June the 15th. Everybody have a good Father's Day tomorrow. It's 8/16, June the 15th. Anyway, what I want to say right quick is we're going to be installing 20 zones of Hunter irrigation, and I cannot wait. I've been up every 4 hours moving sprinklers around. Sick of it. I cannot wait to turn on the controller and be done. So very soon this project's gonna start. It's gonna be totally different than anything I've ever done. We're gonna have an 1.5 inch main, 1 inch laterals. Be running the 6-inch pop, the Hunter I-20-6s. Now over that rock up there where I covered, I'm probably gonna have to run the 4 inches because I don't have quite enough soil. That sort of sucks, but that's probably what's gonna have to happen. That's one reason that spot up there gives me trouble. There's not a foot of dirt like they should be. But anyway, this system's gonna be totally different than anything I'm used to because it's gonna be a 2-wire, and then we're gonna run what's called the easy decoders or easy coding. I'm used to where you have multiple strands, you have one common, and then you have like 12 other wires in there, and each color goes to a different zone. That's what you know what's going on. This 2-wire all the way, boom, boom, boom. It's gonna be totally different than what I'm used to. So I cannot wait to get familiar with the Hunter controller over what I've got now. And I got a bunch of little neat things to go with it. You know, like rain sensor, freeze sensor. There's a bunch of different little things that's gonna go with it. So be sure to sort of join in over the next month or so and have some videos of the install. But I just figured this morning would be a good backdrop. Those are about to be done, and then I'm gonna let the sun dry the turf off. It's about time for a spray. Time to do my earthworks, liquid fert, and that's about it. Other than that, it's a great day above the fescue. Hope everybody has a happy Father's Day tomorrow. Anybody that's thinking about ordering a big league stripe kit can save you 15%. Tomorrow's the last day, Father's Day. TFF 15. Save you 15% and get you a heavy duty lifetime stripe kit. And if anybody is going to Equip Expo, I'd love to meet you. Got a code for that will save you 50% off your registration. You definitely want to register if you're going, because the day of the show, you're looking at $120 to get in the gate. You can get in now for, I think, around 15 bucks. TFF 50, and I'll put a link to that down below. Other than that, everybody have a great Saturday. I need to do a follow-up video on where I sprayed the PGR, and I sprayed the nut sedge with Pro Sedge is what I actually sprayed. Need to do a follow-up on that. Let's see if I can stick a picture in right here. I'll stick a picture in of how things are going. Actually starting to see some plant degrading, so things are working. Everybody have a great day.